This is a tutorial on how to use the PlayStation 5 gaming system in the Oak Creek Public Library gaming room. For information about the gaming room or how to reserve it for use, please go to www.oakcreeklibrary.org/gaming-room. The PlayStation can be turned on by pressing the power button located at the left-hand side on the front of the device. Alternatively, you can use one of the PlayStation controllers to turn on the PlayStation by pressing and holding down the PlayStation button in the middle of the controller. The PlayStation has digital games available through the PlayStation Plus subscription, as well as the capability to insert a game disc. To insert a game, simply take the disc out of the case and push it lightly into the slot on the front of the PlayStation. Make sure that any artwork or labels on the disc are facing up. When the PlayStation is first started, it will go to the Welcome Back to PlayStation screen. Simply press X on the controller to select the player. Please feel free to use the Oak Creek Library or OCPL login. The Xbox will sign into the account, and then the home menu will load. Any disc that is inserted will display at the top left-hand corner. Navigate on screen to the desired game using the arrow buttons and press X to start the game. Follow the prompts on screen to continue gameplay. The PlayStation has some pre-loaded games already installed, as well as a subscription to PlayStation Plus. This allows for access to more than 400 games, including classics. On the home screen, navigate to the left until you see the yellow PlayStation Plus symbol. Navigate down in order to see what games are available with PlayStation Plus. If a game requires a password to download, please go to the second floor main service desk and let staff know a password is needed to continue. When you are done playing a game, press the PlayStation button on the controller. A menu will load at the bottom. Navigate to the home symbol and press X to select. To eject the video game disc, simply press the eject button located to the right of the power button on the front of the device. The game will pop out, and you can take it and put it back into its case. To turn off the PlayStation, press the PlayStation button on the controller. Navigate to the power symbol all the way to the right, and press the X button to select. Press X again to select Enter Rest Mode. Alternatively, you can press the power button located at the left-hand side on the front of the device. When done playing, please return the controllers to the charging dock. To put a controller on the dock, simply line up the bottom connector with the base. Make sure that the lights flash orange on the controller to ensure that the controller is actually charging.